Okay, good evening, everyone. Good to see everyone here. Hello, Damien, Stanley, Mingkiet, Mark, Ashvin, Agnes, Nabi. Okay, good to see you, Nabi. Valerie, David, JJ. Today we have right now around 301 people right now, okay, in the group. Okay, so today event is also open to public. So say hi to the public. We have 6 people who will join us in the public group right now. First thing first, I think very important, recently some announcement that influencer, right? Financial influencer must be licensed, when they give financial advice. Okay, so first thing first, I want to share with you all, whatever I talk about later is not financial advice. Okay, it's for education, it's for fun, it's just for what? Entertainment. Type yes if you understand. It is not financial advice. Okay, it's for fun, it's educational, it's entertainment. Okay, so please do not use my advice or my sharing as advice. Okay, please go and consult whoever financial advisor you have. Okay, so that's very important. Usually I will say that. Okay, so next is since the event is open to public, what we're going to cover today, again, market outlook. We'll cover market outlook. We're going to cover a little bit about sharing about legacy. Okay, sharing about legacy. I know you all want to talk about technical analysis and stuff like that, but do you all know that your master class has a lot of all this training? Type yes if you know. If you want to learn technical things, you don't need me to teach you all, because in the members area, I don't know whether you all watch it, okay, but the master class, right, under technical, there are so many things: pair trading, volume secrets, trend line, Keltner channel, stop hunting, pocket aces trade. How many of y'all watch these trainings? Like me, if you watch some of this training. Type not me if you have not watched a single one. Okay, take my cane already. Okay, guys, the training is there for your the master class, yes or not? Every 2 weeks, someone do spend effort, sometimes multiple time, to make sure the video is done properly. Especially for me, because I'm not very good in don't know why. Not very good. I'm quite good in Zoom, but I'm not good in video when nobody talking to me. I sometimes got to do a few times on it, you know what I mean. So please go and watch the videos. Okay, please go and watch the videos. And yes, it's the TA level up is very good. There's a gold mine of knowledge. Okay, tell me one thing you learned in this master class. What is your favorite thing you learned from master class? Some of y'all will maybe say the pocket ace trade, because you always see the pocket ace trade. Right? What is the most pocket ace? Chris is pocket ace. What other things that you have learned that you feel that is good? How to take profit? What else? What do you think is good over here that you learned? Okay, so this is to encourage you all guys to go and watch the masterclass. Can go and watch the masterclass, because in terms of technicals, we do spend quite a lot of effort to build up this. Okay, if you're not clear, you also can go to the graduates area. Then you can also ask. Then I can do another video, the follow-up video on all this. Okay, so but for our Monday morning entertainment, which is on the Monday 8 p.m. right now, I think I don't want to go too technical. Okay, what I want to do is talk more about other things. Okay, like last week we talked about other things. This week also I want to talk about other things. That yes, if you understand the approach. Okay, in terms of technical, in terms of Keltner channel, all these y'all can watch, and then y'all can pause, and then can rewind, and then can ask in the graduates group. Okay, but here, right, is more of inspirational. Okay, so it is less of knowledge, but more of values, more of inspirational. That's why I make that distinction different. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So later we'll talk about some other things that's maybe more inspiration, less technical. But I feel that sometimes it's not what you know, but what you do. That yes, if you agree. Because you can know a lot of things, but end up applying nothing. Yes or not? So hopefully through a session like this, I can inspire you to take action. Okay, because at the end of the day, taking action is the key, not knowing more content. Yes or not? Okay, so let's go to market outlook first. Okay, so we cover market outlook, then we cover a bit of testimony. Glenn did a very good testimony just 16 November, 2 days ago. Glenn did very good one. How many of y'all want me to do an interview with Glenn? Like me, even do an interview with Glenn. Okay, that means he has been posting his testimony quite often. Yes or not? Since 2020 or 21, he has been posting. Yes or not? Oh, and he's someone that is quite consistent. So I actually reach out to him and say, hey, let's do something that, what is the one advice you can give to SMT community? What's the one thing that in your journey you feel that if you for someone who have never attended class before, or someone who are still figuring this out, what is the one thing you can do that can supercharge your returns and your results? How many want me to do a video like that? Okay, I'll be doing a Zoom call. I think I don't think we'll do it live. We'll do it recorded. Okay, do recorded, and once I've done the video already, I'll post it up for you. Okay, and if you have any question, go to members area and type in the question over here. Then I can also answer them over here. Can? Yes, if I can, you all can do that. You have any question for Glenn, you all can do that. Okay, wait, since we am here already, then I just read out his 2 days testimony. The aim is always better to be better than the major index. So this is what we call benchmark. Because you say I got 20% return, but let's say example the S&P returns is 50%. That means you're underperforming the benchmark. That yes, if you understand. So what we want to do is benchmark. Okay, so S&P 500 is actually the biggest index in the US market. That means it's like the blue chip index. Okay, and if you look over here, the S&P 500 only returned 23%, and his returns over this period of time of 1 year is over 80% returns. Okay, and he has been consistent. That yes, if you agree, if you follow him before, you'll see that he has been consistent outperforming. Okay, in fact, from here he's been outperforming a lot. Okay, so the total returns percentage 80%, and he's not a old man, he's a young guy, right? With 291,000 profit, okay, in 1 year. Okay, that's pretty impressive. Okay, so for those people who want to learn how to become part of our SMT community, go to this link and you can join us to become part of SMT community. Okay, we will be doing a preview tomorrow. If you want to find out what we do, you can join us on the preview, and then later part we'll show you what is it about. Okay, so SMT graduate, do me a favor. Can you all write down? Can someone mute me? Who is one unmuted? Okay, SMT community, can you type in? Jason, not Jason. Okay, can you help me to type in what is the one thing you benefited from the SMT community? Just type in one thing you can benefit from SMT community. Okay, what's the one thing that you benefited from the SMT community? Thank you, Naveen. Emotion control. What else? Continuous learning, psychology support, follow the system, psychology of trading. What else? Community, learn how to play poker. Good one, Elizabeth. Okay, that one is extra. Okay, self-check, learn to become filter through information overload. Clarity. Okay, clarity is very important because nowadays it's no longer about lack of knowledge. Okay, good mentorship, stock tip. I don't give stock tip, guys. I only provide entertainment. Okay. Okay, no stock tip, okay, only entertainment. Okay, systematic, clarity, mindset, and things like that. Okay, for those people who want to become part of our community, what we do, we have a 4 days class that we conduct during the training, and after 4 days we have a weekly webinar, and this webinar is a lifetime webinar. Okay, right now we have 533 of us in the Zoom room, usually about 600 people in the Zoom room typically. Okay, so if you want to be part of SMT community, you can go to CollinSeow.com/SWP to find out. Other testimony, you can go to our graduate Facebook group. Okay, this is the graduate Facebook group over here. Okay, on the Collin Seow profitable trading ideas. Then search under testimony. You can see some of the testimony over here. Okay, there's a lot. Okay, but more importantly, come and join us. Okay, thank you, Tanya. Never feel alone despite having a store. Learn. Tanya is also like this year student, right? Learn how not to depend on deals and things like that. Okay, so yeah, so go and sign up for the preview that is coming up tomorrow. Okay, finish advertisement. Okay, I don't know why I do advertisement so early. Okay, now let's go to the market. Okay, go to the market. So market first, for S&P 500 long-term trend. What is the long-term trend for S&P 500, guys? Now be first one to say up, right? No change, right? Okay, S&P 500 is up on the weekly chart. It means 1 year or more trend, it is still up. Yes or no? Trend, it is still up, no change. Okay, go to position daily, 3 to 9 months trade. The uptrend, okay, there is an arrow with teeth over here. There's a break of resistance over here. Can you see that? Type yes if you can see that. There's a break of resistance over here and price pulling back, which is normal. Why? Because if you look at the swing trade, right now we have a swing trade set up. Correct. We have a swing set up. What is the 3 to 9 months trend? 3 to 9 months trend. What's the 3 to 9 months trend? Up or down? 3 to 9 months trend is up. Yes or no? 1 month trend. 1 month trend. 1 month trend overbought. Yes or no? 1 month trend you cannot buy now. Okay, 1 month trend you cannot buy because right now price is overbought. 1 week trend, there is a possible swing trade over here. That means if it break this high, there may be another swing for 1 week. Okay, that yes if you understand, that question if you don't understand. No, or no question. Okay, good. So next we go to Nasdaq. Nasdaq is pretty much the same, just that Nasdaq is a bit more slower. Okay, so you can see from here, long-term trend is uptrend. Type yes if you agree. Don't change, still uptrend. Right now we are up about 60%, 65%. 3 to 9 months trend, daily chart is also up. Okay, it's also up. We have this break resistance arrow with teeth. Yes or no? Okay, then we check if this drop or reversal. Answer it is yes or no. It's not reversal, it's still uptrend. Yes or no? Okay, on the week 1 month trend, 1 month trend is the weekly swing. Weekly swing right now cannot buy because now do have good risk reward. You want to buy 1 month, but on the daily chart, daily swing, there is a possible daily swing set up over here. Okay, Nasdaq, any question? Like good if you understand. This is not something new. Every week I almost cover the same thing. Okay, and most of you are not batch 1 or not the newest batch. Okay. Okay, right now we have 563 of you. Okay. Those people in the public, can you do me a favor? Please like and share the post. Okay. Seems like Facebook nowadays not much public watching. Okay, maybe I should change to TikTok or something like that. Okay, but I don't know how to do. In fact, tomorrow I'm attending a TikTok class. Okay, to learn how to do TikTok. Okay, so that is for Nasdaq. Next we have Hang Seng Index. Hang Seng Index, we have the weekly chart. Weekly chart is right now. What is the long-term trend? Long-term trend is what? Up or down? Up, okay, still up. Okay. Daily position daily is up or down? Flat, not down but flat. Okay, because the mode is bullish, but this is sell. Type yes if you understand. The long term is bullish. Okay, but this is down. That means what? Whatever you bought, like arrow with teeth, there's 1 arrow with teeth over here. Yes or no? So you bought what first arrow with teeth over here, you lock up over here. Type yes if you understand. All this arrow don't have arrow with teeth, no buy lah. So next we go into the swing trade setup. Swing trade setup on the weekly chart. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. What do you think? 1 month trend. Is it up or down? 1 month trend, up or down? Still up. Okay, so now let's think about it. Position daily, 3 to 9 months trend is flat, not down, flat because we take profit. Weekly chart on the swing weekly is still up. Which one do you look at? Question, which one do you look at? Do you look at the weekly swing or do you look at the position daily? Depends. If you're long term, either it's long term, there is position weekly or your swing weekly, you should look at the swing weekly chart. Do you follow what I'm saying? But let's say if you're trading the system, you're doing position daily, then you follow the position daily chart. Got it? Okay. But in general, this pullback over here is still not downtrend. It is not even correction enough yet. Why? Why do you think it's not correction enough yet, or still correcting? Because I haven't touched my 20 MA, yes or no? Okay, yes, CCI is below 100, but the 20 MA haven't touched. We need it to touch, but touch 10 MA already. So there is a setup already. Yes or no? Okay, there is a setup already, but is it the time to buy yet? Not yet not yet. Okay, wait for what? Wait for it to break the previous candle high. When? Type in the chat box. When do you think will turn? This one we predicting no system. What do you think is 1 month? Okay. Do you think is weeks, months, or 3 months? Okay, weeks, months, or 3 months. Okay, it means weeks, it means less than a month, or months, that means will be like 3 months, or will be longer than 6 months. What do you think? Based on what you see on swing weekly, based on what you swing weekly, when do you think the market will turn? Is it next month, this month? That means next 4 weeks? Is it next 12 weeks? Or is it next 36 weeks, takes half a year? Based on the chart, what should it be? Next 4 weeks, yes or no? That yes, if you understand. Why? Because it's correct. Next 4 weeks, you'll be around here. Hopefully it turn, then you can do a swing. Yes or no? If it's next 12 weeks, continue to go down, is it good or no good? No good already. Yes or no? That yes, if you understand. Also, if you continue to go down to the next 12 candle like that, no good already. Okay, next 26 weeks, no need to say. Sure, no good. Yes or no? So within the next 4 weeks can be lesser. Within 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, it should turn up already. That yes, if you understand. If it start to go 12 candles sideways like that, the MA will start to catch up, then it's a different story already. Do you follow what I'm saying? But based on even this move here, right now, this correction, is it okay or not? That okay if it's okay, that not okay if it's not okay. Still okay. Why? Because it got this move up, down, and this move up, and then right now got this down move. Okay, and this move is because of the trade war, because Trump elected. Some people say, oh, there will be a trade war and things like that. But I think the trade war may not be the trigger. What do you think will be the trigger to go up? What do you think will be the trigger to go up? Guess because we're all guessing together. Likelihood will be some more news about the government. Yes or not? Actually, the government haven't said anything yet. Yes or not? They say we plan to do this, but it's not very clear. Okay, I don't know why they all play like that. Okay, they don't want to what's that one? Like in global financial crisis, they call shock and awe. They just want to shock the market. I think China play more relax. Okay, so basically a lot of cuts up the sleeve. Okay, so I think if the market will go up, maybe it's some China stimulus again. Okay, can they do it? Yes, they can definitely do it. Okay, China compared to US, China got the power to do it. Okay, so that will be for China. Now, any question on China or Hong Kong? Same China, Hong Kong, 850 about the same. No question, type good if you understand. If not, we go to HSI. Okay, HSI, I'm saying index. No, HSI. STI about the same. Okay, STI is STI like defensive stock, but relatively compared to Hang Seng, relatively is good, better or worse? It's better. Okay, it's like the defensive. So it's better. Right now, we are, some people still holding here, July 2020. Okay, as the price move towards here, towards the all-time high, can lock in some profit. Got it? That yes, if you understand, okay, we go near to the all-time high, or maybe you can surpass even the all-time high, I will take profit. Okay, I don't want to, because we bought low, yes or no? Just question, those people who are in with me with 2021, anyone bought STI and still holding or not? Holding a bit, like in STI, you see, Denise still holding. Some of you are still holding, right? So then you wait, okay, wait for another a little bit more, then you can go. Still got so many. Okay, I don't want to say how many of you all bought ETH at 2020. How many bought ETH at 2020? Type in ETH. Me. Type in ETH lah. ETH, don't type in me. So bought $300, $400, $500. Yes or no? Now it's how much? 3,000 plus. Okay, how much? How much is ETH right now? So many were bought. Okay, so continue hold. Okay, so I say ETH for hold how long? By the time 2020 when I bought, I say ETH how long? You remember or not? How long did I say? 10 years. Yes or no? 10 years. Okay, so not 10 years, right? You know, 12 years. Okay, relax. Okay, still got way to go. Okay, good. ETH also okay, but this year I mentioned beside ETH is what? BTC. Yes or no? I mentioned BTC. How many of you bought BTC because of me tying BTC? Okay, yes or no? Okay, beginning of this year, during kickstart, during mid-year, I already mentioned before. Okay, good. Okay, so let's move on. Index almost done. Any other index that you all want me to take a look? Any other index? Important one. Okay. Nifty. Nifty 50. Right now, price pulling back. Okay, I will say that this is like one move. Okay, I will not do from here. Okay, Navin, I will do from here. I don't know why lah. I will do from here when it broke out. Okay, so right now price pulling back, but pull back a bit too long already. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candlesticks already. Okay, so let's look at the position weekly. Wow, very close to my rate already. Yes or no? Okay, so long term is still up, but this pullback is a bit over too long. Okay, let's look at the weekly swing. Weekly swing also tell me price also dropped below the 40 MA already. So a little bit scary, a little bit. If you're long term position weekly, watch it lah. Because you bought it early, yes or no? So right now at this price, must watch clearly. Watch clearly. Okay, Nasdaq already finished already on Grace. Okay, if not, then let's go through the next part over here. Okay, just to set context again, why do we want to talk about the index? Type in the chat box, why do you want to talk about the index? What's the reason? Then we start with the index. It's to give you all the big picture, the context. As your individual stocks, for your individual trade, what do you do? Three alphabet. FTS, follow the system. Yes or no? Wherever you scan for the stock, please follow the system. Okay? Please don't use my market outlook to trade. Okay? Unless you're trading an index. If not, then follow the system. Don't don't lie. Okay? That is the key. Okay? So just one more call again for those people who want to join us in our preview. This is the tomorrow class will be talking about a preview. You can go to this link, CollinSeow.com/SWB to sign up. Okay. If not, then I don't know this part. We should talk about it in public. Okay, I'm it's not right public. Okay, so I'll share with you all one thing. Type in the chat box why you want to make or accumulate money. We must begin with the end in mind. Yes or no? Guys, don't just trade, invest, in waste our time, not waste our time, invest our time to get more money, but we don't know why we want to get more money. Don't tell me it's because my friend also doing the same thing lah. Okay, give me a minute. Let me close the door. Okay, guys, please do this with intention. Okay, don't just always exchange your life, your time for money, and then people ask you why you're doing so. Then you say, oh, because my neighbor also do so, that's why I do so. Like, yes or no? Don't do that. Okay, you must really think why you want to exchange your time for money. Okay, so Yen Liang say better life from family, living standard, get out of the rat race, enjoy life, fire, financial freedom, buy time, financial freedom, fire, legacy, freedom, retirement fund, sense of security. Okay, good. Okay, so if you today, right, walk out of life already, touch wood, everyone will be gone. Then what is left? Because you work very hard, right? You exchange your 70, 80 years or 90 years of your life, right? And then you accumulated a lot, right? Then after that you die already. What happened? The money will go to where? Money will go to where? Next generation. Left nothing. You can go to the next generation. Yes, estate go to charity, go to your children. Okay, so if we work very hard, we sacrifice our life, so-called sacrifice our life, to give our children a better living, and our children do not know how to manage money. You accumulated your million, then your children don't know how to manage money. The money within 1 month or 1 year, all the money gone. Is it very wasted? That yes, if it's wasted. So do you think educating your children is important? That yes, if you think it's important. Important, guys. Okay, so don't keep exchanging your time for money. You say, I smart can already, my children stupid, never mind. Wrong. Do you follow what I'm saying? Because you smart, you very good in accumulating money, but when you go in very good in trading, and then after that pass to your children, oops, I gonna click on the wrong link, all the money gone. Possible or not? So one thing is call to action is join SMT. No, joking with you. Okay, but what I want to say is, guys, you all need to take a bigger picture. Number one, and invest in your children. That yes, if you understand, that means you must invest in your children. You must educate your children. How do Papa make money? How do the world work? How to read charts if you can. That yes, if you agree. How many agree that if you learn charting when you are 20 or 25 years old, it will help you a lot? That yes, if you agree. For me, I teach my children like 20, 17, all read chart one. They know how to use MA, and they know how to draw trend line, things like that. They know how to look at support resistance. At 17, they already know already, okay? And they are pretty good, okay? In fact, his goal this year is to make 100,000. I don't know where he gets his capital from. His profit, he want to make 100,000 this year, okay? So, but what I want to share with you all is you must, because you work so hard, you must think of investing in your children. So, what are the things that you should invest in? Number one, if you ask me, it's not even about make money. The first thing, most important, is to build character. That yes, if you understand. So next question is, how do you build character? How do you build character? How do you build your children's character? Children, right? At the end of the day, don't do what you want. Say lah. They do what you do lah. Do you understand what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. They don't do what you say. Okay? You say no use one. You say you must make good use of your life. Don't go every day watch TV. Don't every day read some books and invest in yourself. But you every day watch Netflix, every day play games. Agree or not? They won't follow lah. Do you follow what I'm saying? So you must willing to set a role model, build character. Okay. So what is a character that you want to build for your children? You'll think about that. Okay. First thing first. Second thing, then I feel is besides being a role model. Okay. Besides being a role model, second thing is the value of education. So education split into two. I say one of the education is like learning how to do math, learning geography, accounting, and things like that. But more importantly is you need to do what? You need to educate them on money. That yes, if you understand. Educate them on money. How does money come about? Okay? Don't teach them how to trade first, guys. That yes, if you understand. Don't teach them how to trade. Why? If you teach them how to trade, they become gambler. Yes or no? Wow, so make money so easy. Just every day click, click, click. Don't teach them how to trade first. Teach them the basic of running a business, the basic of the character. Then how do you do FA, fundamental analysis, then later part, then TA. Do you follow what I'm saying? Why? Because if you just teach TA in the beginning, end up what happened? They may think that the casino, the stock market is a casino. That yes, if you understand. So teach them about running a business. What is gross profit? What is net profit? What is running a business? What is marketing? How to become run a business, become a successful person. Then later, then talk about trading and finance. Okay, so I feel that education split into two parts. Beside your tuition, to learn your science, geography, whatever. One of the things very important is learn how to be a good person, and also learn how to manage your money. Okay, and last one is skill. Okay, skill is the things that I feel that is something that actually last year I thought of writing a book, but I failed. Okay, is to write a book to say what advice that I'll give my children. Okay, because actually got a lot of advice running a business, being a human, being a friend, being being in the SMT, what does it mean? So there are things that I want to also pass down. Okay, so I think learning skill is also important. So for what is the skill that you want to leave behind? Okay, so these are the things that I want to share with you all, that I feel that when you work so hard, even when you work so hard, the leverage is not really spending more time looking at your chart. The leverage is spending time sitting down with your children, sharing with them, hey, Papa one day is going to die already. Then what you should do when Papa die. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, you must do something like that. Okay? Don't like just work very hard and then touch wood, something happened to you at 50, 60. They don't know what to do. It's going to be very wasteful of your life. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, it's going to be very wasteful because you spend 50 years on trying to accumulate everything. They don't know how to manage money, or maybe you put some crypto in some wallet and tell them, then the money all gone. Do you follow what I'm saying? So you really need to spend some time to talk to your kids about, if Papa go away or Mama go away, then what do you do with the money? Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, one more thing I'll share with you all. If you Singapore life expectancy is 85 years old. Yes or no? 85 years old. So if your kids, right, if you walk out of life at 85 years old, how old is your children? Type in the chat box. If you 85 years old, you die, how old is your children? Okay, let's say 50, 55. Yes or no? On average, actually, likelihood will live longer. Okay? Likelihood will live longer. So around 50, 55. Do you all agree? Okay? At 50 and 55 years old, really, they are also reaching close to retirement. Or 60. Yes or no? Close to retirement. Yes or no? So even your millions or your multi-millions may not be so useful to them at 55. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Or 50 may not be so useful to them. Why? Because at 50, they know how to make money already. Yes or not? They will have their kids already. They will know how to make money themselves. So you exchange your life, your expensive life, until 85 years old, and then the effect is you give the money to them at 55, which is not very useful for them. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Because you may be exchanging your life right now at 40, at 50, which is your prime life, and then try to accumulate everything at 85 to give to them at 55. It is not so useful for them. Yes or no? So actually, if you want to really, really help your children, it's not to give them money at 55. Okay, so let me ask you a question. If now you're, let's say you're my age, 50 plus, if your parent were to give you some money, which age, at what age do you think is the good time to give you? 25, 30, yes or no? That yes, if you understand. Okay, so now plan backwards. Instead of giving them the multi-million or whatever, or what example, $1 million at when they're 55, why not give them 100,000 at 30? Do you think at 100,000 at 30 will be more useful for your children than $1 million at 55? That yes, if you agree. Yes lah. So then you must talk to your children Guys, sit down. Papa have money. Papa want to give your money, but I don't want to give you at 55. I want to now start to plan to give you early. But you must understand one thing. What I give you already, yours already, the rest I spend on myself already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Anyone? Kemi so rich, no need papa already okay? Drive Porsche, no need papa one. Okay? So you understand what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So plan giving. Okay, plan giving. Okay, maybe not to buy a car, plan giving to get married, start their family, things like that. It's going to be much more useful for them. Got it? Okay, so action point. Action point is start to plan or don't just keep accumulating money by default. Do you follow what I'm saying? Don't keep accumulating money by default. Don't start to also help them to, if you can, help them start their own portfolio. Mine start very young, okay? When they're like just born, I start already. Okay, Kasu, right? Okay, but just born, start dollar cost averaging. I talked to you before, right? Dollar cost averaging, that's $100, $200, $300, just accumulate for them. When they're 21, they have a sum of money. Yes or no? Okay, so these are the things that I feel that if you do it correctly, there will be so much more leverage compared to you just work hard, exchange your life, make more money, die at 85. Do y'all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, next question. Next question is, people say, Collin, what if I die with no money? Yes or no? What if I die with no money? Because I give already, I give already. Then after that, I die with no money, then how? Okay, people afraid of old age and afraid of illness. Like me, if you are someone like that, it's a Collin, I give a very good, I plan, I give already all money. Okay, then I can rest. Then what happened? So I want to share with you all to be realistic about preparing for death and illnesses. Okay, I not there, not near there yet. Touch wood, not near there. But let's say example, you accumulated your multi-million. Okay, your multi-million. Okay, and then right now, you have cancer, and then the person say, okay, right now we have the latest treatment over here, can extend your life. Okay, but it will be very expensive. 1 year, $1 million. Example okay. Then what happened? Then you was thinking, do I want to pay $1 million every year to extend my life for another 1 million? Rather than you just say, okay just normal way of living, normal way of living, right? Let's say, okay, I just spend now Singapore die quite cheap. Okay, let's say example 100,000, okay? That's the normal healthcare, and I die. Okay. So the extra money that you spend to extend your life, let's say example you spend $1 million over 5 years. Over 5 years, you spend $1 million, $200,000 a year. You spend $1 million to extend your life for 5 years. Which is better? Okay, to spend $1 million, extend your life for another 5 years, compared to someone who didn't spend $1 million, extend your life for another 3 years, to make you extra 2 bonus years. That means you spend 900,000 for 2 more bonus years. And this 900,000, instead of spending in the last part of your life, you take all this 900,000 and divided it when you are 40, you're 30, you're 50, you're 60, you spend on holiday. Which one is better? Which one is better? You spend 1 million, extend 2 more years of your life, which you are on bed actually, then continue to extend your life, right? Compared to you spend and then you still got health, right? You still got health, you can enjoy your life. You split $1 million over, let's say 20 years is how much? 1 million over 20 years is 50,000. Hey, 50,000 can very good holiday. You follow what I'm saying not? Like, yes, if you agree, very good holiday. Don't say 50,000, just say 20,000 or 10,000. Upgrade your holiday a bit. Can or not? Can. Instead of extending 2 more years, I enjoy my life more. Do you follow what I'm saying? So guys, I'm not saying this is the right way. What I'm saying is today, start to think in terms of a more pragmatic way of living your life, rather than just say, oh, my way is correct, your way is wrong, or your way is correct, my way is wrong. Do you follow what I'm saying? Like, yes, if you understand, this is to spur you to think about expanding your life. A lot of people do not have a lack of money, but they have the fear of not enough money. That yes, if you got if you got a little bit of fear of not enough money, you make a lot of money, but if you say, maybe not enough, got inflation, maybe not enough, other people are making more money. Do you follow what I'm saying? Don't do that, guys. Okay, so I share with you all the thing. Extra money is just to hao lian only. Do you all follow what I'm saying? The extra money is just to show off only. Don't to show off. You find out, just enjoy your life. Yes or not? Okay, so bottom line, bottom line is take whatever I share, process it, what are the action point you want to take, and then from there, do something that is not like what the rest are thinking. Do something that not everyone is doing the same thing. Everyone is just, I want more. I need to accumulate more. I need to sacrifice my current life, my children's time with my children, time with my family, because I need to save more time. I want to save more money for their future. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, so with this new paradigm of thinking, then what are the action points that you want to do? Okay, type in action points that you want to do if you have action point. Either talk to your children, either to start to plan giving, either to talk about character. What is the action point you want to do? One action point, replan your life. Very good. What are the one action point you want to do? Taught me something special first time you met. Keep a journal and start writing. Okay, good. What are the first point what are the action point you want to do after today? Okay, go and think through. Okay, what action point? Start a portfolio of children, work backwards, let them cancel my wife credit card. Later my credit. Okay, later your wife can look for me. Don't have. Okay, if no children, how? Hey guys, very good point. If no children, also start to plan also. Okay, if you don't have children, also start to plan your life. Don't just, I know you're maybe very charitable. You want to plan to give charity, but you can also plan to spend time with your loved one. Like last week, I tell my mom, hey, let's go holiday. Me and my mom only, 2 of us. Okay. Then my auntie, my third aunt, and my fourth auntie, my fifth auntie, I pay for them. So me and then my 3 auntie, we go for holiday together. Go to the China tour. You know, like But my mom say, don't go. It's so boring. Go holiday with you. It's like not cool. Yes or not? So, but later this week he said, oh yeah, actually we want to go. Now we are planning to bring my cousin and my the other cousin, and then we want to all go holiday. So actually, money, right, can help you to do things that you never thought of doing. What? Do you follow what I'm saying? Like bring your mom, one person to holiday, or not rare lah, yes or not? Usually doing your parents' holiday is with your kids, with your wife, and things like that. Don't have one person, yes or not? So right now with not I don't have more money, by the way. I just want to use my money more impactfully. That's why I want to create memories for them. Correct or not? Yes or not? Like this year also, I brought my old 30-year-old friend go holiday. How many of you all know? Like me, if you know. Okay, so I brought my 30-year-old friend. Hey, let's go holiday together. Because for the rest of our life, maybe we'll never go another holiday again. Yes or not? 30 years ago we went, but now we never go again. So let's go. Okay, so we're in the Chengdu, bring him around, and basically also share some of my things that I have learned over the years. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, so another day I'll share with you all. Actually, money can make one. Okay, how many want to? I want to share you how to. One day I'll share you how to print money. Okay, how many want to know how to print money? Like me, you don't know how to print money. Okay, actually, guys, it's not that difficult. Okay, it's not that difficult. The market already tell you there already. Okay, but I want to say for another day. Okay, you don't really need super returns to print money. Do you follow what I'm saying? You don't need a lot of people think that I need a lot of money to make a lot of money. Actually, you don't need one. Like, you must be smart. Okay, so how to make money for options possible? Okay, how to print money with a low risk idea. Okay, low risk idea. Okay. Okay, if not, this is the end of today's sharing session. Okay, talking about children, talking about character. I hope it's useful for you all. I don't know whether it's useful or not, but yeah, be more intentional about spending money. Okay, one day. Okay, if not, let's say bye to the public. Okay, then we look at our individual stocks. Okay, right now. Okay. Okay, let's end stream.